Imagine moving 20,000 containers across oceans in one journey. Sea freight powers the global economy, carrying over 90% of international goods by volume. Today, we'll dive into how maritime shipping works, why it's so critical, and what the future holds. Sea freight involves transporting goods using ships across oceans and seas. Cargo is usually packed into standardized containers, which makes loading and unloading efficient. Goods range from clothing and electronics to cars and heavy machinery. Globalization would be impossible without shipping. Sea freight connects manufacturers, suppliers, and consumers across continents. It enables mass production, low-cost sourcing, and worldwide distribution. Without ships, the cost of goods would skyrocket and supply chains would collapse. Alright, let's dive into the advantages and challenges of sea freight. First, the advantages. Sea freight offers the lowest cost per ton for transporting goods over long distances. It boasts massive cargo capacity, and it's environmentally efficient per cargo unit compared to air transport. Now, on to the challenges. Sea freight has slow transit times, taking weeks rather than days. There are weather risks, including storms and piracy in certain regions. Lastly, port congestion and logistical bottlenecks can pose significant issues. Sea freight is evolving toward greener and smarter solutions. New ships are using cleaner fuels like LNG and methanol to reduce emissions. Automation and AI are optimizing routing and cargo management, making the process more efficient. Plus, digital platforms are streamlining documentation and customs processes, making everything smoother and faster. Sea freight remains irreplaceable for global trade. It's economical, scalable, and becoming greener every year. From the smallest package to massive industrial goods, ships keep the world moving. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to logisticsABC. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Check out the recommended videos here for more great content. Thanks for being part of the Logistics ABC community, and see you in the next video.